Kiwi Ears Cadenza, one of the entry level IEMs from Kiwi Ears. This is a single DD IEM and is retailing at $35, I think, if I'm not wrong, to be precise. Indian price is a bit higher. There is a headphone zone collaboration and that is retailing at 3000 rupees, as while the Kiwi Ears Cadenza is priced at 3300 rupees. So this is a interesting product, nothing wrong here. Single DD is decent in most cases. I'm not expecting anything fancy in here, but I am expecting decent sound quality out of it. So let's see. Kiwi ears. No case is what I expect, because a handful of Kiwi ear IEMs do not come with a case. So expecting anything from a budget IEM is wrong. But let's have a look if it has a decent kind of cable or not. So yep, run of the mill kind of cable here, nothing fancy. A $5 cable at max, and we are getting the same set of tips that we got with Forteza, if I'm not wrong. Same. What is really bothering me is that all these tips are narrow bore, same bore size, same, nothing different. So that is kind of not good enough. Give a bit of variety when it comes to the tips, and the buyer will be much more happier. We have seen this. I'm not going to show you a lot of stuff in detail here, because this cable is very familiar to me, at least. Even the quartet came with this exact cable. It is not a horrible cable, but for a IEM that is priced at $110, it is a bad cable. But for a budget IEM, this is decent. I should not be complaining a lot, because it does not have memory, it is not bouncy, so it is okay. It is not like bad or anything like that, but it does not look good or great or anything like that. Now, one another good thing actually is this cable is better than the KZ cables, so that is a good thing. Let's have a look at the earpieces. This is the blue color IM, so should be decent looking. Blue looks nice. Acrylic, or you can say plastic build, looks nice. No issues with the build quality. The nozzle depth is okay. I will not say the depth is very good or anything like that. It is not the deepest, but it is decent. It should be okay. So I'll share you the initial impression within this video. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy. I have nearly covered the whole Kiwi Ears IEM range, except the cheapest and the two most expensive IEMs from their inventory. I have covered nearly all of them, so this was the only one remaining from the budget price segment. So here we are, Kiwi Ears Cadenza. This one is a single dynamic driver IEM, and if we look into the build quality, this is decent, nothing fancy. The cable is average. There is no carry case, priced at I think around $35-40. This one is not very fancy by any standard, but it sounds good. That is the good part here. If I talk about the comfort, there are no issues with fitting or anything like that. It is reasonably comfortable inside the ear, and it's not big either, so that is a very good thing for an IEM. It houses a 10 mm dynamic driver, if I'm not wrong. Yes, yeah, It has a 10 mm dynamic driver, and with a 32 ohm impedance, this is not a very easy IEM to drive out of a mobile phone, but it's not like it is complaining a lot, but it is advised if you have a USB dongle, use that. If you do not have that, you can run it out of a mobile phone without a lot of issues, but it still is not performing best if you are using it right out of your mobile phone without any USB DAC amp, because this dynamic drivers can open up reasonably well when given right amount of power. So this one needs a bit of power. If I talk about the sound quality, I like the way this one sounds. It's not a bad sounding IEM for sure. It is slightly on the balanced side with a W shaped signature. Bass is not very boomy or very punchy or heavy by any stretch of imagination. So bass extension is good. I will not complain about the extension or anything like that. But it would have been nice if it had a bit more rumble in the sub bass region, but it is good. Uh, Mid bass is reasonably full of voluminous and has very good body to it. I like the way this one renders the layers too. It is not bad by any stretch of imagination, so that is a good thing. And decay is slightly on the faster side. It is not letting the notes get woolly or muddy, so that is a very good thing in my opinion. And if we talk about the mid-range, I like the clarity part of this IM. This has very good clarity and transparency. Resolution and definition are good too. I definitely would have liked slightly less aggression, slightly, I was so slightly less aggression with the vocals, but this is the initial impression. Maybe uh, a bit of burning in will iron out that thing, so we will see. It's nothing bad or anything like that, nothing uh, critical here at all. I definitely would have liked slightly smoothness in the upper treble region too, but I can understand why Kiwi Ears has tuned it like this to give a better perception of details. They have left some sharpness in that region, slight bit of sharpness in that region. So this is good. In the the whole sense of tuning, this is good. Treble is reasonably extended, nothing wrong. Very good agility, very good clarity too. I'm liking the extra bit of bite with the instruments, and uh, the stage too is nicely expanded. Nothing bad at all. So the expansion is very well, and the stage is more rounded, more 3D like. So that is a very good thing. It can be used for gaming and movie watching too. So that's a great thing about this small budget IM priced at around $35-40 or around 3,000 rupees here in India. So if you want to pick one up, go ahead. This is not a costly IM and can offer very good value for money proposition at the retail price. So this is my initial impression of Kiwi Ears Cadenza. I may or may not make a review video of this one depending upon the enthusiasm around this budget IM. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.